sure they are up to 5. Make sure they are up to 5. Even if you are not standing up and talking to the person, do so. Point that the people of Israel, they don't know their God anymore. All their attention were drawn to Baal. They became idol worshippers. And the day came that Elijah showed up and said to Ahab, as long as God liveth, before whom I stand, there shall be no rain nor dew in this land, except by my word. When you are a prophet that knows what you are doing, you will always talk with alacrity and audacity. You know what I say? Yes. It's only when you don't know your connection with God that you will be talking with your mouth at the back. But when you know what you are doing, when you hear from God, you will talk with audacity. Because He will always back up His word. He said, for 3.5 years, there shall be no rain nor dew, except by my word. In other words, He locked up heaven and He put the key in His pocket and left. And they suffered for 3.5 years. No rain, no dew. Everything died off. Hunger everywhere. Famine everywhere. And the day came that Elijah showed forth himself